fund,
Oo.
as well as the current path that is being taken on by the so-called Bagong Pilipinas movement. And of course,
Oo.
foreign policy anchoring it on the West Philippine Sea.
Kung kayo po ang tatanungin, Prof. Dong, ano po yung nagawa ngayong taon ng administrasyon na may impact sa ating mga kababayan at sa tingin ninyo, ito yung dapat niyang i-highlight sa kanyang State of the Nation ngayong taon?
Well, I would say that the BBM administration also was able to create important strides, no, particularly in this year. And siguro una nating tignan dito, no, kung paano nakapaglatag ng mga epektibong mekanismo ang ating pamahalaan para i-curb down or i-contain itong problema natin sa inflation. Yes, there is still the sabihin nating unabated increase every now and then of the basic commodities, pero at least yung spikes niya, yung talagang bigla ang pagtaas, medyo na nako-contain naman natin. And I think what the government also was able to do here is within the context din nung tinatawag nating employment generation. Makikita natin na kahit paano gumanda yung ating employment status kumpara nung 2022.